Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Cash App too many attempts error. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, the most common causes of this error are bugs in the Cash App servers. So check if the Cash App servers are working fine. The Cash App not working may not be because of any problems on your device, but because of the service itself. Use a site like Down Detector to see if others are reporting issues with the app. If there isn't any issue, you can try using the Cash App website and log in using the web version. Since Cash App requires an active internet connection to complete online transactions, ensure that your phone is connected to an active Wi-Fi. You can also try deleting the app data, but the more secure way is to uninstall and reinstall the Cash App on your mobile device. Also check if your account is logged in on multiple devices. If it is, log out your account from all of those devices. At last, you can also change your PIN or just contact your bank or customer support to see if there is any problem with that. And that's how you can fix Cash App too many attempts error. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.